Some of my boys went through pre-filling and they forgot that I was making a video in this room. So they pre-filled this room as well, but it's fine. Pre-fill is pretty straightforward. What you're pretty much doing when you're pre-filling is you're finding pieces of plaster that's messed up, cutting it off, and pre-filling that. So we've done the same thing over here, done the same thing here, here. All pretty much done. But I'll find some other place that I can explain to you how they did it. It's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go mix up a little bit of base. I'm gonna show you how to set the base a little faster so you can pre-fill and get the job done. I've got some quick set base compound, 40-minute setting time. Usually I have 5-minute setting time, 20-minute setting time. I just don't have it here. So I'll show you a tip to how you can make your quick set quicker. You know what I'm saying, cuz? Check this out. I've got 2 buckets right here. I've got 2 clean buckets, right? 1 bucket with water in it. I'm gonna chuck a little bit of water in that. Okay? I don't need much. This is just to pre-fill, okay? If you can get a rasp, get a rasp, but I don't need a rasp. I'm just gonna do this right here. I wanna scrape the plasterboard out of there, right? Just scrape the powder out of the plasterboard like that. I want to get as much as I can. Very good. Chuck it in there. I'm trying to reduce the time that it takes for it to set to quicker. I'm gonna mix it. Now you generally want it to have very thick when it comes to pre-filling. And just mix that nice and thick and put it on the tray. Like I said, very, very thick. Pre-filling looks something like this. I'll come on the joint right here, and you can see stuff like that, yeah? The paper is not really, the paper shouldn't be doing that, right? So you wanna get rid of that. Cut that off, right? You should have a knife with you. And then you get rid of your mud, and you pre-fill that. Right, something like this, for example, right there. That doesn't look good. The tape won't really sit right there. I'm gonna put some mud on that, like I'm doing, bit by bit, and then clean it off, and then clean this side off as well. It should be a nice corner, because that's what it is, corner. Here, somebody pre-filled this, but they used the wrong mud, so it's streaked. I'm gonna pre-fill it real quick right now. Chuck some mud on it, and swipe it clean. Clean this side. If you see some glue like this, you wanna get rid of it, like that. You don't want anything in your way. Glue is gone. You wanna make sure your screws are in nice. All your corners are scraped nice. All the pre-filling is done, and then we can get ready for the next step. Here, I'm kinda happy.